Hey everyone, it's snow day in South Louisiana. I just got hit by a snowball.
Happy snow day.
This is the first time in South Louisiana that we've had a lot of snow that accumulated on the ground. Look at this.
It's white out.
We're kind of excited. We're kind of excited about it because we don't ever get this here.
Nope.
And it's been coming down since about 9 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, we got about six inches, I guess, here.
Y'all like my Mardi Gras socks? I'm ready.
I'm wearing the camo.
It's camo. But it's steady coming down. Rhino's truck is full. Oh my God, I can't even see.
Rhino's about to try this thing out.
Yeah, once it gets a little bit more.
Stop snowing.
Yeah. All right, so that's it for right now.
We'll bring the pups out in a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna bring them out. I'm sure they're gonna love it or hate it. We don't know, but I think if we throw the ball, Zoe will run out to try and get it.
If she could find it.
Yeah, because it's kind of,
It's thick.
it's getting thick. I'm freezing. And I don't ever say that. It's the side of our yard. Oh. All right, we'll see you in a bit. All right, I'm gonna put some more clothes on. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's a dome of snow. Wow.
Over there too.
Oh yeah.
Should I knock that down?
Look at this. Oh my God, I can't wait for the little kids to come out.
Maybe we shouldn't mess it up.
No, I know.
We'll get their tracks.
They only go on 2 steps, I guarantee you, and they running back in the house.
I'm gonna knock that off the roof.
I'm gonna watch you. And so will everybody else. Maggie Nola's getting some snow. And those trees are probably dead now, them plants. Those barrels, if you can see them, that's our little orange trees that we just recently planted. Instead of wrapping them, Ryan just covered them with a barrel. Hopefully that'll help. Whoop, there it went. Whoop. Oh my goodness. Ah!
Come on, Birdie. Come on, Birdie. Come on. Come on. With the ball. Get the ball. Come on, Brew. Birdie.
Come on,
Come on, Birdie.
Rudy, come on. Come on, Zozo.
Where's the ball?
Zoe.
Zozo, look.
Bring it, come on. Go.
Come on, dude.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Zozo.
Come on, Zozo. Come on.
Get the puppies. Get the puppies.
Come on, Birdie.
Come on, get the puppies.
Come on. Come on, Zozo. Look, she can't walk.
It might be frostbite.
Yeah, let's go in. Come on, let's go in. Come on, come on, come on. Y'all lubed it up? Huh?
I can't get over how much snow we got. There you come. I don't want to try, I want to do it. I'm trying.
Ooh. They coming. So it's probably been about an hour since we brought the dogs out, and you can see where they came out. All you see is human prints. You don't even see dog prints anymore. So that's completely covered up because of it still coming down.
I didn't make anything.
And the guys just had fun riding on the direct TV dish because that's all it's good for.
Just knocked it off the roof.
Still coming down though. And there goes the neighbors again. Ryan had his turn.
Hey guys, it's 2:30 on January 21st and still snowing. It is completely white out. The yard is covered. I'm definitely deep in the snow. And it's beautiful. What a day. We made gumbo this morning and had a pretty good lunch. Beth had to work from home, so she did that on the computer. I thought she was coming out, but we did some sledding behind the four-wheeler, and I'm gonna pick that up so nobody gets hurt. It's still stuck in the snow. And we're gonna see what else we can do out here.
It's the only way Zoe's coming outside in her little papoose.
The snow is almost done. We still got maybe about an hour before it quits. But Bruin, he doesn't want anything about it.
It's too cold for Brady.
It is deep. Bruin, look at the puppies. What you doing, boy? Come on, Brew. Come on, let's get him. Let's get him. Come on, Brew. Come on. Get the puppies. Get the puppies. It is deep.
Come on, Zozo. Let's run, Zozo. Oh my God. Look. Hey. Hey, Daddy. Birdie. Birdie, you want to come so bad, huh, Birdie Boo? Daddy's going to hold Birdie. Come on, Birdie. Hey, Birdie. Hey, give Mommy a kiss, kiss. Love you. All right, snow day with the pups.
With the puppies.
Yes.
The goat.
Yes. It's our little family picture.
It's shaking.
Oh no, it's time to go in.
Run, Birdie.
No.
No.
Oh, he's Brody. He looks like Max from The Grinch. Come on, Brody. Hurry up, get him up.
Come on, Brody.
Hey, Brody.
It's like taking a cold bath, huh?
Ah! I can't get over how thick it is. You northerners get it all the time. We're a little excited. Zoe's cold, but she just wants to be with her mommy. Watch yourself.
What a great day.
A great day. Oh, wait. Coming right back. Well, I was working, and then now I'm off. So
What you got?
I'm gonna chill that right now.
There it is.
Or later.
Got it. Zoe looks cold.
She just wants to be with mommy.
It is so cold. And it's so white out here.
Golly, I cannot believe this. Look. Watch, look. We're in the Arctic.
Are we in Idaho?
Zoe, you want to do a snow angel? Oh my goodness. The boat's almost full of snow.
Oh, it is full of snow. Look at this shit.
Zoe, you going to boat? You like to ride in the boat, huh?
My poor orange tree under here.
No.
Hold this, I'm gonna look at it.
No. Don't let no stuff get on it. You're gonna kill it. Okay, put it back.
I don't know.
Oh, it's gonna boost something up. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That's the perfect spot for a snow angel. You should do one. Go. Fly away! Yay!
Oh, look.
Oh, it's an angel.
Looks like crap.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, that's like 12 inches deep.
That's crazy.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Let's go in, Sozo.
Yeah. Let's go.
It's so cold. It's like
Then
20.
it's gonna be 100.
It's like 25 right now. 25, 27, something like that. But this is the most snow we've seen ever in our lifetime.
Yes.
Even
we
when we went
got
to we took a trip to the Grand Canyon one time, and
Yeah, it wasn't like this.
Flagstaff it snowed, but
No.
not like
Not
this.
like this. Bruin wanted his turn. Let's go, Bruin. Oh, stop. Bruin, you got mommy, huh? Mommy got you.
Oh, you're the snow Bruin.
Yeah, I got you, Bruin.
You're a snow dog.
Yeah. Really? That's better, huh?
You with mommy? You warm?
Mommy jacket? Huh? Look. The boat. Look at the boat. It's
See if you're
outside.
on. Come see.
Outside, Birdie.
Hey, Birdie. Look at Daddy. Look.
Look.
What you doing, huh? It's
Birdie.
cold. It's cold out.
All right, let's go in. Wear me out.
I've never seen this snow before in my life.
Oh my goodness. I definitely didn't expect this.
Wine should be cold.
3 minutes in the snow.
Let me pack that baby. Oh, it packs the wine. Keep that
Can't
cold.
forget it.
Won't forget it.
What you got?
We're coming to you live from 208 BBD with 12 inches of freaking snow.
See what I deal with?
It is deep.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. Look.
Oh, look at that.
Oh shit.
Oh, that was with my left hand too.
Oh, God. Don't give me her right hand.
This is with the right hand. Cool. Oh, almost threw my arm out.
Huh.
Look at Aaron's truck. The front of it.
It's like a square box.
Bertie, you outside. Brew. Hey, Brew. You want to go in? Going inside? Go inside. Go in, you boy. Go in. Zoe, you coming? Coming outside, Zozo? Come on. Come on.
Get the ball.
Come on, go get it.
Give me the ball.
Go get it. Go get it. And that's as far as she's going. She's not going any further. Look, it's right here. Look. Go ahead, Zozo. Yay, Zozo. I think they're getting a little adjusted to it now. Birdie, you coming in? Yeah, they're going to warm up a little bit. It's crazy.
Right deep over here. What? It is deep. Look. 18 inches over here.
My short self. Look, can you have this?
Get up.
Rebecca asked for a snowball. Oh my goodness. We have a man down. We have a man down. Fun snow day.
No day.
Our catch basin.
Gonna light a fire.
Look how much that snow brought that tree down.
It's crazy.
Look how much that snow brought his tree down.
That's crazy.
Look at his truck.
His truck.
I told my damn, why?
It's just frozen.
What? Yeah, but once it gets wet, it's gone. It's gone.
It's like powder right now.
What you got? Oh, you icing your drink down?
Mm-hmm.
She said,
Unbelievable, the amount of snow. Crazy how the temperature is today, and then Friday it's going to be 70 something degrees. Come on, bro.
Come on, Dove. Come on.
So we lost the ball in the dirt, not the dirt, the snow, somewhere in that vicinity. But we looked, but we can't find it. So we had to go get her another ball. We're about to lose that one too.
She got it.
She got it. Hey, girl.
Good job, girl.
Jojo. Bury that ball, girl. Bury it.
She's playing the spin game.
Get it, Jojo. There goes Randy.
The only good thing about this network right there.
Oh, he better watch his hands.
Kim had that leg cocked all the way up.
You look like Weekend at Bernie's.
Oh, I don't know.
Come on, girl. You got this.
Okay.
Blocked it. Well, it's snowing again. Rebecca!
Lean back! Lean back!
Woo! This is what you call a frosted glass.
All right, guys.
Okay. All right, snow day 2025.
2025, snow day.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's cold.
and
and
it's
it's
still
snowing.
coming down.
We had a great time, though.
Yes, we did. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.